Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sells team's brand new listing. And you know what? I want you to all out there to stop the whining and the complaining. Ooh, interest rates are so high. Ooh, I can't get in the market. Because Stu's gonna tell you now the secret to get in the market is to start in a unit like this. This is a perfect one bedroom. It's gorgeous. Laminate floors throughout, brand new stainless steel appliances. Look at all these windows and the light. Beautiful kitchen, gorgeous bathroom, parking locker. You know what? You get in the market and you hang out here for a year or two. Wait for the rates to go back down. And then you know what? You make 100 grand on this and then you sell this condo and then you go buy your house. Real estate's about baby steps. And you know what? You can't beat this location. We are sandwiched between two subway stops. Islington, we got the GO train at Kipling, ton of buses that go everywhere, easy access to the highway to get to the airport, lots of walking stuff to do. There's great parking behind us, lots of pubs, cafes. There's a big Sobeys at the Islington station. There's a steakhouse. And of course, you just go over the bridge and you're in Kingsway Village, my favorite restaurant, Azaria's, that you've seen on our webpage. You gotta start calling Stu, and I'm gonna teach you how to navigate this market, get in the market, make some money, and make your stamp on real estate in Toronto. So go to stusells.ca, see the photos, the videos, and give me Stu a call.